if u is equals to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c, where a, b, c, f, g, h are constants, find dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou square u by dou x square, and dou square u by dou y square. So as we know, dou u by dou x means partial differentiation of u with respect to x, and in the same way dou u by dou y means partial differentiation of u with respect to y. And here u is given as ax square plus 2hxy, and like this the function u is given, and first of all we are finding dou u by dou x means partial differentiation of this u with respect to x. So when you write dou u by dou x of this right side, and here first of all if you see, so when you apply dou u by dou x for every term here, so here a is constant anyway it is given, and dou by dou x of x square plus 2 is constant, h is constant given, and if you are differentiating means in the partial differentiation with respect to x, y is constant. So here 2, h, y are constants, and here dou by dou x of x we are writing, and here b is constant given, and y is anyway constant because partial differentiation with respect to x means y is constant. So this total term is constant, so constant differentiation of constant is 0. So we are writing directly 0 here, and 2 is constant, g is constant, and dou by dou x of x, and 2 is constant, f is constant, and y is also constant. So this total term is constant, so differentiation of constant is 0 here, and c is also constant, so differentiation of constant is 0. And if you see here dou by dou x of x square means it is 2x, and plus 2hy, and dou by dou x of x is 1 here. So here also you will get 2x, and once again dou by dou x of x is 1, so we are writing directly 2x here, and here 2j and dou by dou x of x is 1, and if you see you can take 2 common, and you can write ax plus hy plus g, that is dou u by dou x, and we require dou square u by dou x square also. So dou square u by dou x square means we can write dou by dou x of dou u by dou x, so we got dou u by dou x this value, and once again we have to partial differentiate this with respect to x such that we'll get dou square u by dou x square. So when you once again write dou by dou x of this one, dou u by dou x, so 2 is constant, we can write outside, so dou by dou x of this function, and here a is constant, so writing outside dou by dou x of x, and h is constant, y is constant, so directly 0, differentiation of constant is 0, and g also constant whose differentiation is 0. And if you see here dou by dou x of x is 1 here, so it is directly 2a, so dou square u by dou x square is 2a, and once again we have to find out dou u by dou y. So this is u, and when you apply nothing but dou u by dou y is nothing but partial differentiation of u with respect to y, so in that case x is also constant, so this first term is total is constant, so for which differentiation is 0, so we are writing 0 here, and 2h is constant given, so here x is also constant with respect to y means x is constant, partial differentiation with respect to y is means x is constant, so here x is also constant, so 2h x constant, and dou by dou y of y plus b into dou by dou y of y square, so this total thing is constant, 2 g is constant given, x is also constant here, so differentiation of constant means this term is 0, and 2f dou by dou y of y, and this is also constant, so whose differentiation is 0. So here if you see 2hx, and this is 1, so 2hx this term, and this is b into 2y plus, and here 2f, and this is 1, so means this is 2f. So here also you can take 2 common, so you can write 2 into hx plus by plus f, this is dou u by dou y value, and here once again we require dou square u by dou y square, we can write dou by dou y of dou u by dou y, that is nothing but dou square u by dou y square. So dou by dou y means partial differentiation of this with respect to y, so dou u by dou y we got already, so we are writing that value here, 2 into hx plus by plus f. So 2 is constant, writing outside dou by of this hx plus by plus f. So when you apply partial differentiation to each term, so here if you see, we are applying to each term here dou by of hx and dou by of b is constant, so y and also f. So if you see, this is total is constant whose differentiation is 0, and b into this is 1, dou by of y is 1, and this is also constant whose differentiation is 0. So here the answer of dou square u by dou y square is 2b. So here we have solved all the required values, means dou u by dou x we have solved, dou square u by dou x square we have solved, dou u by dou y we have solved, and this is dou u by dou y, and dou square u by dou y square we have solved. So for more videos, please subscribe and activate bell symbol. Also please share my video with your friends. Thanks for watching.